So in this video, we will know how to generate this kind of cinematic animation using just a SketchUp screenshot image. So let's start. So guys, first here you have to upload in ChatGPT this SketchUp screenshot. Okay. Now here we have to type this prompt and then just create a render like this. So it will produce this render. Okay. After that, you have to just type the prompt to get a different kind of images with different angles. So here you can see I have generated this one, and another one is that is I have just typed a close-up shot that I needed, and another that I have generated one close-up shot to musician. Okay, and another shot is just close-up shot to the audience. That's it. I have generated just a total 4 or 5 frames. Okay, now here you have to go on a Google Flow option. Okay, now here you have to just go to the agent mode just over here on a Google Flow, and here you have to upload all the generated rendered image on a chat GPT. So here you have to click on a plus icon and select one by one all your images, and you have to upload in a sequence. Okay, just like that. Here you have to click on a add option. So after adding, when you will add this, you have to just type the prompt. So you have to just uh, type this prompt. Okay, it's like make it complete 10-second visual tour of open amphitheater music concert following this image. You are free to add musics and effects. So this is the prompt after uploading all these images on a flow. Okay, and when you will hit this button, it will generate this kind of visuals. Here you can see. Now here you have to just click here to download. So it will download immediately on your folder, and you have to save it just like that. So guys, for more tutorial like this, how to incorporate all the architectural interior work to impress your client and generate videos, images, just follow my channel and you will get updates every week. Thanks for watching. See you next tutorial.
So guys, if you want to learn more, please subscribe my channel and also share to others. Till then, bye-bye. See you in a next tutorial. Thank you.